Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2010 Subaru Impreza WRX STI. Now the exterior color is a gray, and under the hood we have a 2.5 liter turbocharged inline-4 engine paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. Now at the front we have our projectile headlamps with our halogen high and low beam lights. We also have an engine block heater connection, and over at the side we have our 18-inch wheels wrapped in our all-terrain tires, as well as we have our color matched mirror caps and door handles. We also have our hatchback rear, and on top we have our OEM sunroof, and the Subaru also comes with aftermarket remote start. At the rear we have our quad-tip exhaust, as well as we have our Subaru all-wheel drive, STI, and Impreza badging on our hatchback. We also have our LED taillights, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with our wiper blade attached. At our interior we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage with power windows, power locks, as well as we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as we have our power adjustable mirrors. We also have our hands-free and volume controls, as well as we have our cruise control settings. And up above we have our rear view mirror with our cabin lights, as well as we have our beautiful OEM sunroof and our cabin lighting. We also have our STI seats, which allow for manual adjustable options for both driver and passenger. And as we look at our display cluster, you'll notice we have 100,713 kilometers on our beautiful Subaru WRX STI. And as we look ahead, we have our outside temperature, as well as time, and as well as we look at our Kenwood aftermarket display, we have a phone connectivity, as well as we have our AM and FM and Sirius XM controls. And underneath we have our ventilation system and our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout our entire cabin, as well as we have our 12-volt adapter with our cubby storage, as well as we have our manual 6-speed, as well as our electrical parking brake with our drive options, as well as our dual cup holders and our heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as we have our center console with loads of storage underneath. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy loads of door storage with power window options, as well as there is more storage in the rear of the passenger seat, and we have our fold down dual cup holders. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we are left with loads of legroom and tons of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this absolutely beautiful STI, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.